So, your future depends on what you do today. By this statement, it's a very famous statement by Mahatma Gandhi. So, by this statement, we'll start lesson number 3 of the passing away of Bapu. Good morning, my dear class 9. So, we are back with lesson number 3 of the Bliss book, class 10. So, the passing away of Bapu by Nayantara Sehgal. So, who was Nayantara Sehgal? Is one of the first female Indian writers in English to receive wide recognition. So, her fiction deals with the India's response to the crisis brought about by political changes. She won the Sahitya Academy Award in 1986 for her novel Rich Like Us. Remember this? The text, an extract from Nayantara Sehgal's memoir Prison and Chocolate Cake. So, Prison and Chocolate Cake, it's a memory from there. The extract has been taken. Recounts the incidents following the death of Gandhiji. It vividly describes not only the author's personal sense of loss, but also the collective grief of the entire nation at the passing away of Mahatma Gandhi. So, everybody is mourned, everybody is sad on the passing away of Mahatma Gandhi. So, I'll read today Unit 1. Follow this. I was having tea at home on the evening of 30th January 1948 when I was called to Birla House by an urgent telephone. So here she is telling that she was called to Birla House by an urgent telephone. So by what? By a telephone. On evening of 30th January 1948. What was she having? She was having tea at home. So Gandhiji had been shot on his way. Why was she called urgently? Because Gandhiji had been shot on his way to a prayer meeting. I was numb with shock as I got into the car. So what was the reaction of the author? She was numb with shock. And where did he get into? She got into her car. At the Birla House, Gandhiji's relatives and followers had gathered round his body. There was silence in the room as Gandhiji breathed his last. Breathed his last means gave his last breath. Words of Bapuji's death had been through Delhi like a flame fanned by wind. So it has been compared like when you fan a fire, it lights up much more in a very vigorous way. So similarly, how the news spread, it spread very fast. So flame fanned by wind, this phrase means that it is very fast. Sad groups of men and women had collected around Birla House. Out of every window, one could see a brown blur of faces. So they were gloomy, they were sad. So how was the faces of the out of the every window? Brown blur of faces. They did not make a sound. There was an unnatural silence. So how was the silence described? Unnatural, very awkward. It was as if the time stood still for those few minutes. So why it is called unnatural or awkward? Because the time stood still for few minutes. Everything was paused. The people were too stunned to speak in the beginning. Later, they clamored wildly, shouting and crying. They jostled one another in a stampede to break into the house. What does stampede means? When you somebody falls on and you stamp that person and go on. So they jostled one another. They were jostling. They were forcing, pushing. Okay. Where they were getting into? They were getting into the Birla House. They were trying to get into the Birla House to see whom to see at Gandhiji. They calmed a little when it was announced that they would be allowed to see Gandhiji before the funeral. So everybody had a little calmness when they were told that it's okay, now you are going to be we are going to reveal Gandhiji to you all and you will be seeing. So when one is faced with the shock of a loved one's death, one whimpers. So question can come from here. When does one whimpers? When one is faced with shock of loved one's death. What will become of me now that he has left me? So he's a very in a very dismal way. in a very lonely state. She's telling, the authoress is telling to us that how will we live now without Gandhiji, without our father of nation? How will we conquer our India? So they looked like what? They looked like lost children. It was the question in many of our hearts as we sat, still shocked and unbelieving. So what was unbelieving? Gandhiji's death was unbelieving. We listened to the broadcast telling, so where? In the radio. Broadcast is the radio. Broadcast telling the people of India that their Bapu was no more. So this is the first part that we will be getting, and it says us that how she, means authors, and the countrymen will be feeling without Gandhiji. Okay, clamored is demanded loudly, jostled is forced one's way by pushing, whimpers is making low cry noises, and comprehension exercises I'll be giving in the next class. The question answers also and some extra questions with unit 1. Okay, thank you, take care.